This is another co-problem. Black needs both to protect this stone and to make sure white cannot take advantage of this stone. If black lets white captures this, then the ice space is too small, obviously. If black only saves this stone, then white can play something like this. And this will not be enough ice space for black. So black must start a ko. And the correct move is this, right? If white comes in like this, then we can start a ko right away. But what white might want to try is this. And now black needs to be careful, right? If black connects here, then now black will be dead. If black plays here, black will be dead again, right? If white plays this. So black needs to be careful. So the correct move is actually what white just played at number 4. It's this 2-1 point. And white can choose which side it wants a ko. Now white must play this in order to prevent black from making 2 eyes. Otherwise, this will be a living shape already. White must play at 4. Black must play at 5, right? Capturing 4. And now this eye will be a ko, like this. There's no way for white to capture black, right? This will be a real eye. So white can only atari from outside, and this will be a ko. So I guess the takeaway would be to make tiger's mouths, right? Make tiger's mouths. And number 3 is more like building 2 eyes, trying to build 2 eyes. And then, once again, when your eye space is not enough, when conventional moves do not add up, try think of a ko and give your opponent a headache. Thank you for watching.